Welcome back.
Hey everybody. We're tired, y'all. We're exhausted. Hence the thumbnail. We've done a lot today.
It's been a busy day.
We've planted 3 flats of annuals. 3 flats of
Yes.
annuals, 2 giant trees.
Yes, the Alaskan cedar and the
redbud. And if you haven't watched those videos, go back and take a look at them. This is our last project for today. We're running out of light, so we're going to try to do this quick.
Yes.
We're at the end of our pond area. This is the extension.
We
have perennials that are going to go back here, but we wanted to face the front with something cohesive to everything else that we've got. So we've got Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. I mean, who doesn't know Bubblegum? It's an amazing thing. We've got Supertunia Vista Fuchsia. So because these are vistas, we won't need very many. We can use just a few. And then we've got our sun patiens in a lavender color to go in the front.
To match the other side.
To match the other side. A little bit of cohesion, but these are going to be a little bit different. So in this area, we've got the Supertunia Vista Fuchsia on that side with our coleus. We're not doing a coleus on this side because I do, like I said, I've got perennials. Tons of perennials. So we're going to try to get through this quickly. This is brand new dirt. We just had this dumped here and we filled in the back. If you watched our tree video, we were going to fill in next to the redbud. We have done that for the most part. We got a little bit more to do there. So you'll see that that looks a lot better now than it did in the end of the video. I'm getting a whiff of tomato. Do you think Supertunias or petunias in general smell like tomatoes? Let me know in the comments if you agree. I don't know why. I feel like they smell like tomatoes. You don't smell it. I smell it.
I don't think they have a smell at all.
I think they're tomatoes. So y'all, do you agree with me or do you agree with him? Let us know. But anyway, we're gonna get these around. I don't think we need to aug anything because this soil is so super light. We can probably just dig with our hands. So we're just gonna pop them in. It's very simple. We're just gonna go from fuchsia at the end all the way down with the bubble gum down here to kind of mix match in the middle. But I'll show you that when we get there. So we're gonna pop them in.
Okay, we are back with the voiceover because our microphone's messed up and we're going to close it out like this. So to show you what we've got, we'll zoom right on into our whirling butterflies Gaura. We did add 2 of these just spontaneously. You can see it's a little broken, but came from the garden center that way and it'll be totally fine. We may just end up cutting that little piece off. But those are good to down to a zone 5. I believe they get 24 to 36 inches tall and wide, I believe. And again, down good to a zone 5. They are perennial, so those will come back for us year after year. But they'll look really good within the sea of pink that we're going to have. As you can see, we've got our Supertunia Vista Bubblegum in. That's the primary of the vistas that we have, and it will fill in this entire hillside. Also, you can see that we've got our some patience in as well. The lavender looks really beautiful, and we've really just staggered them, just in a window pane, up, down, up, down, up, down, just to keep it going. And we have the fuchsia down here. We didn't add them too much into the other side. They're mainly closer to the pond area to tie into our urn side over there that we showed you in last week's video that we planted. You can see a huge massive Gaura there that we planted last year, butterfly bush, hibiscus in there. But yeah, the fuchsia and the bubblegum look beautiful together, and I can't wait for them to grow together. I think they will look great. But with as you can see, Michael's pointing at all the different ones. We want you to lead. I know he's saying in the actual video is wants to lead you back. So there's some more projects coming that are going to go into that back area. But as you can see, for now we've left it open just because we are going to plant some perennials and things back there around our beautiful Alaskan cedar. But anyway, like, comments, and subscribe as always, and we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.